Hey everybody, just another Wednesday. Me doing Uber Eats. Yeah, I kind of forgot to take that traditional screenshot of how much boost it is, but it's 1.5. And yeah, it's one of those lunch hours. Just biking around, delivering shit. It's a little cold out. Forgot to put on the second layer of pants. That's alright. After, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, I kind of got used to it. So yeah, $34 for that lunch, pretty good. And I don't know, Uber's doing like a new thing with the heat map. But kind of near Amanda's place. So I messaged her to see if we could hang out. But I don't know, I guess I thought she was doing something else. Looked at this water fountain. Does not make the list of trusted water fountains. And yeah, near there's no frills, so I got some potatoes and laundry detergent, and just biking home now. Student strike. What is this supposed to accomplish, guys? I feel like students, no one cares if you strike. Anyways, back home, I don't know, probably hung out. And now it's time for bike repair class. And I brought my bike brake pads, so after I cleaned my bike, started replacing the pads. Yeah, those ones weren't super bad, but the back ones were pretty bad. I guess I didn't take a picture of them. Oh well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See y'all later.